All right. Good morning, people. It's 12:20 in the afternoon. I'm just waking up. Let's go get some coffee. All right, we're making some changes. Cut down my desk. Still, I hate this light because it looks so weird. But I'm gonna have to redo the floor. Now, water kept coming in through the door, and that floor is almost rotted. It's still solid, but it definitely got softer. So maybe I need some sort of awning over the door. There's the wall. It used to be here, and now it's going to be the bathroom, but I'm going to change everything around. This has got to go. The fridge has got to go. The refrigerator is going to go over there on top of this cabinet, and then I'm going to turn my bed sideways. So this was a good idea, this little cubby hole bed, if I lived up north and I was trying to stay warm. But I live in Florida and I want to be in the air conditioner. So when I run this air conditioner, I run it at like 69 degrees. It's cold in here, but in the bedroom, it's just right. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to change that so I could use less air conditioning and be more comfortable. That's the plan. So anyway, moving this, I'm gonna put this down below. I'm gonna put the refrigerator on top of it. So now the refrigerator is at eyeball height. If that makes any sense. And then this becomes the bed. Right to the door. And then that way I'll be in the room with the air conditioner. And it won't be such a chore trying to stay cool. All right, let's keep going. Get this thing out of here. Not too shabby. Oh, what have I done? My dirty shoe collection. Definitely seems like there's a lot more room in here. Still gotta unscrew this to get my blue lights, which are now gonna run through, just randomly through the middle of the ceiling where they used to run across the bedroom. But now it's time to frame up a bed. First, we gotta clean up. All right, a little cleanup. Here's our basic bed layout. This is all pallet wood. I harvest it. I'm gonna lay slots in, screw them down. That way the bed can breathe. I'll be careful to keep these vent holes so underneath the mattress has no chance of getting moldy. I think these are gonna end up much closer together, but you get the picture. Something like that. Let's do it. Here's a little tip for mass production, right? So I got my 22-inch piece. It's the piece I need, and I need a whole bunch of them. And here's the trick. Leave a little gap, roughly the thickness of the blade. And then you can mark the other end, and then do the same thing again. Leave that little gap, the thickness of the blade, and then mark the other end. When you cut, you're gonna lose that little bit of material right there. That's the saw blade. All right. So first thing I'm doing is making sure I'm drilling pilot holes with the board in place, and I'm using that board as a spacer, and then we can run the screws in. right, there's our little wrap up. We got us a bed frame. And there is much more room in here. I mean, you could go for a walk in here now. Go strolling. I plan on doing a full-length shelf, and then that'll give me tons of little storage. And somehow I'm gonna strap it from this edge down to the shelf and try to attach the bottom of this trim. And I think that'll make a nice shelf without taking away too much window. All right, let's get this mattress in. All right, mattress in. It's my couch slash bed now. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect. I plan on sleeping with my head down this end. I can set my laptop up, watch movies, whatever. Plus down here above my feet, I want to try to get in extra shelves or storage. And then down below, I'm either going to do a curtain, something. Maybe I'll stash all my shoes down there. That's the progress so far.